Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize international contractor payments documentation with WISE detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize international contractor payments documentation with WISE, begin by logging into your WISE account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments tab in the main menu. Select Send Money to initiate a new payment. Choose the currency in which you want to pay your contractor. Enter the amount you wish to send. Next, input the recipient's details including their name, email address, and bank account information. Verify that all information is accurate, as incorrect details may lead to payment delays. Scroll down to the section labeled Payment Purpose. Select the appropriate purpose for your payment from the drop-down menu. If applicable, upload any required documents related to the payment. After reviewing all entered details and ensuring everything is correct, click on Continue. You will then move to a confirmation screen where you can double-check all payment information. If everything is satisfactory, proceed by clicking the Confirm button. Next, you may need to complete any additional security verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once verified, WISE will process your payment. Keep a record of the transaction receipt for your documentation. To track the status of your payment, return to the Payments tab at any time. Utilize the tracking feature to ensure that the funds reach your contractor promptly. If you require further assistance, consult WISE's customer support or help center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.